स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So,
यस.
with work energy power now, so like when will we do doubts?
वी आर स्टार्टिंग द चैप्टर वर्क एनर्जी पावर.
Yeah, so like do you have
चलो. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग वर्क एनर्जी एंड पावर. सबसे इजी चैप्टर है. ठीक है. इजीएस्ट चैप्टर ऑफ फिजिक्स. सबसे इजी है. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना होता है. काइनेटिक पोटेंशियल में, पोटेंशियल काइनेटिक में बस समझना है. ठीक है. सो वी विल टेक द टर्म्स. टर्म्स यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं, वो पढ़ते जाएंगे लाइन से. डेफिनेशन ऑफ वर्क है ना. देन टाइप्स. सॉरी. वर्क. देन पॉजिटिव and positive, negative and zero work. Then types of energy, types of energies, Ke, Pe and Te. Kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy. ठीक है. Next, work by gravity. Next, work by variable force. इससे पहले you will get work by friction, work by variable force, work by spring, then पावर. पावर क्या होता है? कंजर्वेटिव, कंजर्वेटिव एंड नॉन कंजर्वेटिव फोर्सेस. देन देर इज अनदर चैप्टर, लेकिन आपके पैकेज में दैट इज गिवन, बट COM एंड कोलिजन आर टू डिफरेंट चैप्टर. COM, in COM we will study COM and collision. This part we will study क्योंकि आपके पैकेज में this is given, the collision is given in your work energy power chapter. Okay, but COM we will study later detail में. Initially we will study brief हल्का सा overview we will take of COM, then we will take collision because this is given in your package. Okay, so this will be the sequence. This will be the sequence. Work, positive, negative, zero work, types of energy, work done by gravity, work done by friction, work by variable force, work by spring, power, and one thing is remaining, that is vertical circular motion. Vertical circular motion and contact loose problems. Clear?
the second one T chapter in itself?
Center of mass is a different chapter you will study in system of particle, but the topic of that chapter, that is collision, that is included in your package work energy power. ठीक है.
Okay,
क्लियर.
sir.
यहाँ पे एक चीज नोट कर लेना, वर्क एनर्जी ये मिसिंग है. वर्क डन बाय ग्रेविटी एंड सब कुछ होने के बाद यहाँ पे टाइप्स ऑफ एनर्जी में इक्विलिब्रियम. इक्विलिब्रियम क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इक्विलिब्रियम? एंड वन थिंग इज रिमेनिंग, दैट इज वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. सीक्वेंस में भी डिफरेंट, थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे सीक्वेंस हो सकता है. ठीक है, लेकिन ये टॉपिक्स रहेंगे, वी हैव टू कवर. इतने सारे टॉपिक लग रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है, मैंने पूरे डिटेल में इसको ओपन कर दिया है, इसलिए इतने सारे टॉपिक लग रहे हैं. बहुत आसानी होते हैं. ठीक है. इवन यू कैन कंप्लीट वर्क एनर्जी इन 2 days, नॉट मोर देन 2 days. बड़े आराम से होता है. ठीक है.
Done.
Done? Starting.
Yes.
So first we will take work, then मतलब definition of work, positive, negative and zero work, types of energies, work energy theorem, work done by gravity, work by friction, work by variable force, work by spring, power, conservative, non-conservative forces, vertical circular motion and contact loose problems. ठीक है? So first, what is work? It's very simple. पहले definition आप दोगे. Just give your definition. Give the definition of yourself. जो भी आपको पता. What you understand by work. बताओ. गलत सलत जो भी बताओ. Doesn't matter. Just give the definition from your side. What is work? बोलो.
When the body which results in its change in shape or accelerates it or retards it, the work is performed.
चलो. So, 3 इडियट देखी है? 3 इडियट.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. तो उसमें मतलब किसी इसको माइंड मत करना, है ना? आई एम जस्ट जोकिंग. उसमें एक साइलेंसर रहता है ना? और एक आमिर खान रहता है. मूवी की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं कंसेप्ट की, और कुछ नहीं है. तो देखो, दो चीज़ें हैं. फिजिक्स को पढ़ने से पहले आपको कंसेप्ट, कुछ चीज़ समझ में आनी चाहिए. भले आपको डेफिनेशन नहीं आती, डजंट मैटर. यू विल राइट द डेफिनेशन अगर इफ़ यू आर क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट. लेकिन अगर कंसेप्ट आपके हिले हुए हैं तो आप उल्टा उल्टा वहाँ लिख के आ जाओगे. ठीक है? तो 10th की क्लास की तरह नहीं है कि आपने रट्टा मार लिया जस्ट मगप और आपने वहाँ पे आके लिख दिया. नहीं, आपको पता होना चाहिए कंसेप्ट क्या लग रहा है. ठीक है? ऑल द डेफिनेशन इज करेक्ट. उसने जो बताया कि चेंज इन शेप एंड ऑल, एफर्ट डाल रहे हैं. अल्टीमेटली वी हैव टू पुट सम एफर्ट. तो यू आर परफॉर्मिंग द वर्क, है ना? सो whenever we put effort to change state of object, है ना? उसको क्या बोलेंगे? We are providing the work. Ultimately the definition is when you apply a force in the direction of displacement. So definition of work is simple. The W is equals to F dot X. Force in the direction of displacement. That's why taking the dot product. Ultimately, whenever you feel that you are tired, किसी भी वजह से you're performing work, there is a loss of energy. Actually, there is not the loss of energy. The energy is converting. You know, we are converting the energy from one form to another form. For example, if you are running, suppose if you are running, what you are doing? आप रनिंग स्टेट में जा रहे हो. फ्रॉम द स्टेट यू आर चेंजिंग द स्टेट, है ना? यू आर एट रेस्ट, नाउ यू आर रनिंग. अब बताओ, थकोगे कि नहीं थकोगे? थकोगे ना? बोलो.
हाँ सर.
So there is a state change. अभी your kinetic energy is 0. Now when you are running with some speed. Now you are having some kinetic energy. So what you are actually doing? You are converting your body or your energy stored in your body into kinetic energy. Okay. So whenever you put some effort to change the state of an object, you're performing work. है ना? You're performing work. Definition wise, this is work is equals to F dot X. We call it work, है ना? ठीक है? So work क्या है? When you apply some force in the direction of displacement, so work is equals to F dot X. Is it clear? हाँ या ना?
Yes.
So ultimately, when you apply the force at some angle, suppose if you are applying the force at some angle, तब क्या होगा? At some angle, displacement is in x direction. This is the angle theta. So what will be the work? F dot X. So it will be Fx cos theta. Is it correct?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
SI unit of work is joules. ठीक है? तो ultimately conceptual clarity should be there, that whenever you perform some effort, whenever you give some effort and you are getting tired, मतलब कि there is a loss of energy from your body, so you are doing some kind of work, है ना. लेकिन definition of wise work is equals to F dot x. So force into displacement in the direction, you will take that force which is in the direction of displacement. So if you take the component of force, this one is F sine theta and this one is F cos theta. So which force is doing the work in this case? Which force, F sine theta or F cos theta? Which work, which force is doing the work, F sine theta or F cos theta? It's F cos theta, na?
F cos theta.
So F sine theta is performing zero work. It is performing zero work. Whenever we calculate the work done by a force, so we will take only that force which is parallel to the displacement. If the force is perpendicular to the displacement, then the work done will be zero, as cos 90 will be zero. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, one question that you said नहीं है पीछे के चैप्टर से, that sir force इस केस में मेकिंग एन एंगल फिर एक्ट हो रहा है, तो क्या नॉर्मल रिएक्शन भी वैसे ही एक्ट करेगा या तो वो हमेशा स्ट्रेट ही रहेगा, लाइक वर्टिकल रहेगा?
No, normal reaction will be vertical. Suppose if there is a gravity, so normal reaction will be acting like this. अगर gravity होगा तो, but displacement is in horizontal direction ना, so work done by normal reaction will be zero. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes sir. And so when एक inclined platform पे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट रखा होगा तो भी वो वर्टिकली रहेगा या फिर inclined एक्ट करेगा?
When object is at inclined plane, this is the normal reaction. This one. Clear?
Okay.
आपका
Yes.
Sir,
So the definition of work is when we displace the box, with some small displacement, what will be the work? When you displace the box with some small displacement, what will be the work? This is angle theta dx. So dw is equals to F dot dx. Is it correct? Correct. It's correct. Differential work.
sir.
Differential work will be F dot dx. And when you integrate this term, you will get net work done, that is equals to F dot dx. Correct? Is it correct? Clear? Clear? What is dx? dx क्या है यहाँ पे? What is dx? dx is differential displacement or small displacement. Clear है कि नहीं? Clear? Now ultimately whenever we perform any work, okay, for work should be not equals to zero, point of contact should be moving, otherwise work नहीं होगा. Point of contact should move. Should. Clear? Is it clear? Suppose if you are having a mass, and you are applying a force, F to displace this mass. So this is your point of contact. This white dot is your point of contact. Okay. So what will happen when you displace this mass? Ultimately, you're taking this mass on the surface. So this point of contact is moving now. This is moving. This white dot is moving or not? Is it moving? Aya na?
Sir.
So the point of contact should move. In this case, we can say that point of contact is moving. Okay, POC, point of contact is moving, so work should be there. So net work done will not be equals to 0. Okay, will not be equals to 0. Okay, this is the case when you can say yes, ultimately we are performing some work, ultimately we are performing some work. But if you're having a case in which the point of contact is not moving, in that case you can say there is no work we are performing, there is no work. Okay, वो कैसा केस होगा? सपोज इफ यू आर हैविंग अ मास, है ना, यही मास है, एंड this is the force, there is no friction, there is no friction, there is no friction, we are just sliding this force, this is the force, and we are sliding over the mass. So batao, ultimately the point of contact, is it moving or not? We are leaving the point of contact behind and we are creating the new point of contact every time, है ना? देखो, है कि नहीं? Is it clear? नहीं clear हुआ?
हाँ सर
नहीं समझा?
समझा
ठीक है? When you slide a chalk over a board, a smooth board, when you slide the chalk over a smooth board, अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं है तो आपके हाथ में कोई एफर्ट नहीं लगेगा, आप थकोगे भी नहीं, पता है? If there is no friction and you are sliding your chalk over the board, तो आपको कोई भी मेहनत करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज नॉट मूविंग, है ना? देखो पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज नॉट मूविंग ना, हाँ या ना? समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, क्योंकि पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट वहीं रह जा रहा है ना? यू आर क्रिएटिंग न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट एंड पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट इज नॉट मूविंग. पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट का मूव होना जरूरी है, एंड इन दिस केस यू आर क्रिएटिंग न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्ट and the previous point of contact is not moving. Okay, so in this case, this is the case 1, this one is the case 1, and this is the case 2. इसमें POC or point of contact not moving, not moving. Okay,
Sir,
yes beta.
sir, can you please explain the first example again?
Beta, in the first example, if you have sliding the box, ultimately this white dot is moving, na? This white dot is moving now. So this is the point of contact. Whenever the point of contact moves, so ultimately we are providing some work, whether it is positive or negative, but we are providing some work. So that's why it is non-zero. Okay. But in the second case, what's happening? You're sliding the force over the block. So point of contact is not moving. We are creating new point of contact every time. Okay. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So in the second case, if there is no friction, smooth है, if we are taking the smooth one, है ना? So point of contact is not moving, so ultimately there will be no work done. There will be no work done. अच्छा, why I am taking smooth? Suppose if it was the rough surface, then क्या होता? आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ती ना, heat will be there, है ना? तो आपका एफर्ट लगता, and that effort is used in creation of heat energy. Is it clear? है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर
सर अगर रफ सरफेस लेते तो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट मूव करता क्या?
नहीं, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट मूव नहीं करता. अगर आप रफ सरफेस लेते तो क्या होता? आपकी चौक जो है घिसती चली आती ना, है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर.
आपकी चौक घिसती चली आती, ठीक है? तो उसमें क्या है, वहां पे फ्रिक्शन आता है, एंड फ्रिक्शन विल प्रोवाइड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में लगेगा. इट विल प्रोवाइड अ नेगेटिव फोर्स, एंड वट एवर द वर्क यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग, वट एवर द एनर्जी यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग, दैट विल बी यूज्ड इन जनरेशन ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. Ultimately we are not providing any work to the block, but we are generating the heat energy. ठीक है? So in that case, we are doing the work, but that work is going into the heat energy form. Clear?
ओके सर, तो मतलब उस केस में वर्क डन जीरो नहीं बोल सकते.
या उस केस में नहीं होगा, ठीक है? उस केस में हीट में जाएगा, ठीक है? फ्रिक्शन लगेगा ना, इसलिए स्लाइडिंग हो रही है. वी विल टेक दैट केस जब वी विल स्टडी द फ्रिक्शन. अभी देखो, इफ सरफेस इज स्मूथ, if point of contact is moving, in that case the force F is providing some work, and if point of contact is not moving, then the work done by this force is 0. Clear?
यस सर. सर मतलब पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट जब मूव कर रहा है, मतलब मास को ही मूव करना पड़ेगा ना?
हाँ, मास को मूव करना पड़ेगा. अभी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल में इट विल बी क्लियर्ड. ओके, in these example it will be cleared. ठीक है? point of contact and work done
It's a different concept.
normal. No, these are the examples. It will clear the concept. Okay, first example, you are going through the stairs. You're going through the stairs. You're taking the stairs. स्टेयर्स तो समझते हो ना, ठीक है, सीढ़ियां, ठीक है. स्टेयर्स में क्या है, दिस इज द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, दिस इज द नॉर्मल रिएक्शन एक्टिंग ऑन योर बॉडी. ओके, सो दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, दिस येलो पॉइंट, दिस येलो पॉइंट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट. व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? क्या होगा व्हेन यू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? यू विल क्रिएट अ न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, है या ना, बोलो.
Yes, sir.
So you will create a new point of contact. Ultimately the point of contact is not moving, you are creating the new point of contact, है या ना, क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ये पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट यही रह जाएगा, ये यहाँ एक नया बनेगा, यहाँ नया बनेगा. सो अल्टीमेटली यू आर क्रिएटिंग न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट एंड दिस नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज नॉट डिस्प्लेसिंग द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट, डिस्प्लेस नहीं कर पा रहा है, ठीक है. सो वर्क डन कितना होगा, वर्क बाय नॉर्मल कितना आएगा, जीरो. इट विल बी जीरो. बताओ, व्हेन यू टेक स्टेयर्स यू विल फील टायर्ड, आप थकोगे कि नहीं थकोगे? व्हेन यू टेक स्टेयर्स
Yes, sir.
थकोगे ना, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग एनी वर्क. whatever the state change you are going through, you are doing by yourself, है ना, आप अपनी बॉडी का एनर्जी यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग, ठीक है. when you increase the altitude, आप बढ़ाते जाओगे, you will gain ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, MGH. अगर 10th क्लास में पढ़ा होगा, आगे कंसेप्ट आएगा, अगर नहीं भी पढ़ा कोई बात नहीं. बताओ, व्हेन यू राइज सम हाइट, कुछ हाइट पे जाओगे, यू विल गेन ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. पढ़ा है MGH? Why you are getting tired? Because ultimately you are increasing your gravitational potential energy and you are utilizing your body energy in increase of gravitational potential energy, ठीक है. So when you take stairs you will feel tired, but this is a case of stairs, okay. But what will happen when you take escalators? बताओ, what are the escalators? Escalators क्या होते हैं? मूविंग स्टेयर्स ना, स्टेयर्स which we see कहाँ पे, शॉपिंग मॉल्स, एयरपोर्ट्स, है ना. what happens in the case of escalator? this is a normal reaction, this is the point of contact, है ना, this is a point of contact, this yellow dot. so escalator moves by themselves using the machines, so this is the point of contact. so in case of escalator what will happen, ultimately this point of contact is moving along with the escalator ना, है ना, बोलो. when the escalator goes up, this point of this POC is moving. when the escalator is going down, this POC is going down, है ना. ultimately this point of contact is moving. अब क्लियर हो गया? is it clear now? बोलो.
पर सर इसमें भी नॉर्मल रिएक्शन ने वर्क नहीं किया ना,
देखो आप खड़े हो,
बट वो एस्केलेटर मूव कर रहा है.
अरे तो एस्केलेटर मूव कर रहा है, बट अल्टीमेटली विच फोर्स इज बैलेंसिंग यू? दिस नॉर्मल रिएक्शन ना, है कि नहीं, जो आप एस्केलेटर पे लगा रहे हो.
So the work by normal
प्रीवियस वाले में भी नॉर्मल बैलेंस करता है ना.
किस वाले पे? नहीं करेगा ना. आपने नॉर्मल ये है, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट मूव ही नहीं हुआ, आपने दूसरा स्टेप बढ़ा दिया, फिर नया पॉइंट ऑफ क्रिएट हुआ, पीओसी यहाँ पे नया क्रिएट हुआ. इस नॉर्मल ने इस पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट को मूव करा ही नहीं पाया, इस वाले पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट को मूव कराना है, वो कहाँ मूव करा पा रहा है? यू आर क्रिएटिंग न्यू पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट, है ना.
तो सर एस्केलेटर में भी तो वो अपने फोर्स से मूव करा है ना, मशीन के नॉर्मल कहाँ मूव करा है?
अरे तो ये अल्टीमेटली नॉर्मल रिएक्शन कहाँ से आ रहा है? मशीन से ही तो आ रहा है. ये आप एक्शन आपका मशीन पे जाएगा, उसी का रिएक्शन यहाँ पे आ रहा है, वही तो मूव करा रहा है ना. अरे अल्टीमेटली वॉट एवर द वर्क नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज प्रोवाइडिंग, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? वर्क बाय नॉर्मल क्या आएगा? वर्क बाय नॉर्मल डेल्टा W is non-zero, and that is provided by machine. By machine. Clear? This power or this energy is coming from the machine. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Suppose you are going up using the escalator. So what's happening? Ultimately your gravitational potential energy is increasing. तो मशीन को कितना एनर्जी सप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? जितना आपका ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी बड़ा है उससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा. क्यों ज्यादा? क्यों? क्योंकि कुछ हीट एनर्जी लॉस होगा, है ना, सम लॉसेस विल बी देयर. तो एटलीस्ट उतना तो करना ही पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? आपको ये फील आना चाहिए कि इन दिस केस पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज मूविंग. इफ द एस्केलेटर इज गोइंग अप, द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज गोइंग मूविंग अप. इफ एस्केलेटर इज गोइंग डाउन, द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज मूविंग डाउन. क्लियर?
और यहाँ पे नॉर्मल mg नहीं है.
इसमें नॉर्मल mg, इसमें अगर नॉर्मल mg हो जाएगा देन यू वोंट बी एबल टू मूव अपवर्ड. नॉर्मल mg तो थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होगा तो आप ऊपर जाओगे. mg अगर नॉर्मल से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा होगा तो आप नीचे जाओगे. समझ गए?
हाँ सर.
Sir,
यस.
normal just helps us stand. मतलब it doesn't let us sink, right, on the stairs with escalators.
No. Normal will help you to move up. You have to take the situation that you are standing on the escalator. You are not running on the escalator.
Oh, but we're standing only, na, and the escalator moves. So mg and will just balance us, right?
So which force is acting on your body? Which force? Ultimately, normal reaction that is provided from the surface of the escalator that is acting on your body, na? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So normal reaction is the medium by which the escalator will perform some work on your body. Okay. So ultimately the normal reaction is doing the work. Normal reaction में और कुछ थोड़ी ना कि अपने आप काम करने लगेगा. This is provided, this is supported by the machinery. पूरा सिस्टम जो लगा है ना?
स्टेप्स वाले में हर स्टेप पे नया नॉर्मल किया है.
हाँ, we are creating new normal ना. वो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन में ही छूट जाएगा ना. ठीक है?
यस सर.
आपको अगर समझना है तो सबसे आसानी से आप गंदे शूज पहने हुए हो, है ना, दैट विल लीव द मार्क छोड़ देंगे वहां पे. सो दैट मार्क इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट. समझ में आया कि नहीं? इन केस ऑफ एस्केलेटर मार्क साथ में आपके साथ बढ़ेगा ऊपर, कि नहीं बढ़ेगा? बढ़ेगा. बट इन केस ऑफ स्टेयर्स तो हर पॉइंट पे यू विल लीव द मार्क. आया ना? क्लियर हुआ? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो इन दिस केस नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इज डूइंग सम वर्क. ठीक है? क्लियर? आया ना? कुछ तो बोलो.
हाँ, sir.
ठीक है. सो जस्ट नोट डाउन दिस स्लाइड, देन वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इसको नोट कर लो. चलो.
Yes.
अनदर एग्जांपल, एक और केस है. ठीक है?
Sir,
यस बेटा.
could you go back to the previous slide for a second?
फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड.
A second. That's 1 minute.
1 minute.
हाँ, sir. Yeah, sir. पहले.
Case 2. You're having two situations. In the first one, you have to climb the rope by your own. Okay? This is the tension T. And you want to go up. So in this case, there is a second case in which you're saying to your friend, just take me out from this situation. Okay? But you're not putting any effort to go up. Your friend is pulling you. Okay? In this case, you're not putting your effort. मतलब कि आप बस पकड़े हुए हो. You're not leaving this point. Okay? So in this case, what will happen? You have to find out in which case tension will do the work, and in which case the work done by the tension will be zero. This is the case. This is the first situation, and this is the second situation. Okay? In the first one, you have to climb the rope by your own. In the second one, you are just holding the rope, and your friend is pulling the string. Okay? So in which case the work done by tension will be zero, and in which case the work done by tension will be non-zero. Just find out. So in the first case, the POC, point of contact, is not moving. In the first case, when you climb up, so you will leave the point of contact. You will leave the point of contact on the rope. Okay, so in the first case, point of contact POC not moving, not moving. So delta work by tension है ना, by tension is equals to 0. But in the second case, what will happen? You will your point of contact will move with your body. Clear? Is it clear? Is it moving or not? It's moving now. Clear? So in the second case, point of contact is moving with man. So delta work by tension is non-zero. Why I'm taking 0 and non-zero? Why not positive and negative? Because if rope is going up, tension is acting upward, and if rope is going upward, so in that case the work will be positive, and if the rope is going downward or the man is going downward, then in that case tension is acting upward but displacement is in negative y. So in that case work will be negative. समझ में आया क्या मैंने बोला? If the man is going up, T is upward and man is also going up, so in that case work done will be positive. But if the man is going down, tension is acting upward but the man is going down, in that case the work done will be negative. Clear? Is it clear? Why it's negative? Because here cos 0 that is equals to 1, but in this case it will be cos pi. Angle between tension and x will be pi, 180 degree, and cos pi is minus 1, so that's why work done will be negative. Is it clear or not? Clear हुआ?
एक question.
Clear हुआ?
हाँ.
So in case of escalator, if the escalator is going up, then work done by normal direction will be positive, and if escalator is going down, then work done by normal direction will be negative. Suppose escalator खराब भी हो जाए ना, ये लूज हो जाए बस, तो उसको कुछ करना ही नहीं है, लोग खड़े होंगे अपने आप नीचे आ जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटी. समझ गए? इज इट क्लियर है कि नहीं? ठीक है.
और अगर वो नीचे जा रहा है तो हाँ नहीं ठीक है.
नॉर्मल ऊपर लग रहा है, पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट नीचे जा रहा है.
हाँ सर ठीक है.
चलो ये फील आना चाहिए. अल्टीमेटली पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट शुड बी मूविंग, सो यू कैन कंसीडर दैट यस देयर विल बी सम नेट वर्क डन. ओके चलो नोट इट डाउन. चलो.
Yes, sir.
So is it clear when the work done will be non-zero and when the work will be 0? So if the point of contact is not moving, it should be clear that there will be no work done. Clear? There will be no work done. Clear? Now types of work. Types of work. It should be clear that if theta is acute, 90 degree, so cos theta will be positive. ये पता है कि नहीं पता है? मालूम है? In the first quadrant cos theta is positive. Clear? If theta is 90 degree, for 90 degree what will be the cos theta? Cos 90 degree is 0 na? And if theta is greater than 90 degree, so cos theta will be negative. Is it clear? Clear है कि नहीं? Any doubt? मुझे मालूम तो डाउट हो सकता है. That's why I've already written that for acute angle, when the angle is less than 90 degree, we call it acute. When the angle is equals to 90 degree, we call it right angle. When the angle is greater than 90 degree, we call it obtuse angle. ठीक है? Is it clear? So for acute angle, cos theta will be positive. For right angle or 90 degree, cos 90 will be 0. For obtuse angle, cos theta will be negative. Okay. So we will take the cases. We will take the cases. First one is positive work. Positive work. So when what will be the case when the object will be in the positive work state? When the force, when the applied force is acting at acute angle, at acute angle with the displacement. This is the displacement. This is the displacement. So angle, if angle between applied force and the displacement is acute, so in this case the net work done will be positive, okay, because net work done is equals to F dot x, that is equals to Fx cos theta. So is it clear? So for acute angle, if theta is less than 90 degree, for acute angle work done will be positive. Clear है कि नहीं है? Is it clear? अरे हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलो.
हाँ सर.
Next is zero work done. Zero work. So in case of zero work, angle between the force, angle between the force and displacement will be कितना?
90.
90 degree. So whenever you are applying a force, 90 degree with the displacement, the net work done will be equals to 0, because theta is 90 degree and cos 9 is 0. Okay, so delta W is equals to F dot x is equals to Fx cos 90 degree is equals to 0. यहाँ पे is positive, यहाँ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, clear? Examples. What can be the example of zero work done? Suppose if you are having a circular motion, so in case of circular motion, tension is always 90 degree with the displacement. Hi Anna, it's always 90 degree. It will be making 90 degree with the displacement. होता है कि नहीं होता है? बोलो.
हाँ सर.
In case of circular motion, the tension will always be acting this is the tension. Suppose you are rotating a bob using a string. This will be the tension T. It will always make 90 degree with the displacement. Whatever the displacement, small displacement will be there, it will always make 90 degree. So work done by tension कितना होगा? The work done by tension is equals to 0. Why? Because it is acting at 90 degree. Is it clear? So whenever any force acting at 90 degree, the work done will be 0. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? So work by tension on circular motion is equals to 0. Okay? So this is a case of zero work done. Any doubt? The last one is
So,
yes, beta.
so the second one, like the example can also be a coolie walking with a weight on his head, right? Coolie walking with with a weight on his head.
Yeah.
The force is upward, but the displacement is
this
ahead.
This is also the example of it. Suppose if a coolie is walking with having some weight on his head, ऐसे कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? This one. Suppose if a coolie is walking having some weight W over his head and he is walking, so ultimately he is providing some normal reaction and displacement is in x direction. So work done by the normal reaction is equals to 0. By normal is 0. Ultimately coolie is not providing any work to this weight, but he will get tired. देखो उसको horizontal चलने में he will not get tired, है ना? Horizontal चलने में उसको कभी थकान नहीं होगी. When he will get more tired when he has to climb कुछ height altitude change करने में, because ultimately he will change the potential energy of the weight, है कि नहीं. But if the coolie is walking in the horizontal direction only, तो इतना थकान नहीं आएगी इसको, ठीक है. बस मसल्स पे स्ट्रेस will be there, उसकी वजह से थकान आएगी, हॉरिजॉन्टल चलने में नहीं आएगी, ठीक है. Is it clear? Because this normal reaction is making 90 degree with the displacement. Clear? Clear? है ना?
Yes.
The last one is negative work. Negative work. So what is the case of negative work? When the force and displacement will be making obtuse angle, है ना? In this case, the force will be at obtuse angle with the displacement. This is the direction of displacement x. This is angle theta. This is f. ठीक है. So in this case, ultimately, this part of force will be opposite to the displacement. So ultimately, it's opposing the motion. So work done will be negative. dW will be negative. Delta W is equals to F dot x. Fx cos theta, that is negative. Clear? So this is the case of negative work done. In this case, theta should be greater than 90 degrees. So when theta is obtuse, the work done by the force will be negative. If theta is 90, it will be 0. If theta is acute, it will be positive. So clear? When you have to take positive work, when you have to take negative work, and when you have to take zero work. Is it clear? ये क्लियर है सबको?
हाँ सर.
चलो नोट कर लो. चलो क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ मैं. This is a box. 5 kg. If nothing is given, you can assume the surface to be smooth. Force F of 50 Newton. We are applying a force F 50 Newton, making angle 57 degree. Find work done and kinetic energy of block at t is equals to 10 seconds, starting from rest. शुरू हो जाओ. Solve yourself. So gravity is there. One more thing. Okay, मैंने मिस हो गया एक चीज जिससे क्वेश्चन गलत हो सकता है. You have taken gravity और नहीं लिया है?
नहीं लिया
सर.
नहीं लिया. चलो मैं ग्रेविटी बना दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है. अब एक बार करके बताओ, ग्रेविटी लेके बताओ, ठीक है. ग्रेविटी लेके बताओ कितना आएगा. क्योंकि ग्रेविटी नहीं लोगे तो बहुत आसान हो जाएगा, है ना. मैं दोनों से करके बता देता हूँ. विदाउट ग्रेविटी, पहले मैं विदाउट ग्रेविटी, एक काम करो, टेक 2 more minutes, और विद ग्रेविटी दोनों को सॉल्व करें. चलो आप एक बार सॉल्व करो इसे. जिन्होंने विदाउट किया है वो विद वाला कर लें, जिन्होंने विद वाला किया वो विदाउट ग्रेविटी कर लें.
Yes.
चलो. So ultimately when you take no gravity case, there is no gravity, क्या होगा? In this case, this is 5 kg and this is 50 Newton. So there is no gravity. So the displacement will be in the direction of force, है ना? It will be in the direction of force. Any doubt? It will not be along the horizontal line. It will be in the direction of force. Okay. So how much displacement will be there? The displacement and motion will be along the 50 Newton. So work done. So what will be the displacement? Acceleration along this direction. What will be the acceleration along this direction? It will be 50 by 5. This is equals to 10 ना? हाँ ना? Clear है कि नहीं? So work done will be equals to 50 Newton into my displacement. X is equals to half a t square. So that is equals to half a t square. T is 10 square. So that is equals to 500. Is it clear? हाँ ना? So this is 25,000. Yes, beta.
I've done something else.
You did by kinetic energy?
Oh, sir.
Yes, beta. So which approach you applied?
So I did F is equal to m into A, and I took F as F cos 37.
Why you are taking F cos 30 if you are taking no gravity case? If there is no gravity, then object will be going upward also. So it will be going, if there is no gravity, it must be going in the direction of force. है ना?
Okay, sir. So okay, fine.
Okay. And when you take velocity at t is equals to 10 seconds, so it will be a into my t, that is equals to 100. And if you look at the kinetic energy, half mv square, it will be equals to the work done. So half mv square. So that is equals to 25,000. So whatever the work this force is providing, this is going into the kinetic energy. This is going into the quota of kinetic energy. Okay. So the work done by this force is going into the rays of kinetic energy. Is it clear? हाँ ना?
Awesome.
So now when we take the gravity, what will happen when you take the gravity? Gravity लेंगे तब क्या होगा? So 5 kg. So 5g is acting downward, and if you take the components, this is 50. Component of this 50 in 37 degree. So this is equals to 50 cos 37 degree. That is equals to 40 Newton. And if you take this component, this will be 50 sin 37 degree. That is equals to 30 Newton. So force of gravity is greater than this 30 Newton. So this block will not move in the y direction. Is it clear? So it will definitely going in the x direction. Is it clear now? Bolo bhai. Is it clear?
Awesome.
As 5g is greater than 30 Newton, so no motion in y, है ना? Clear है कि नहीं? What will be normal reaction? Normal reaction कितना आएगा? It will be 5g minus 30 ना? It will be 20 Newton. Clear है कि नहीं? इसमें कोई डाउट है किसी को? Any doubt? 5g downward, upward force 30. So remaining force will be 5g minus 30. Clear? नहीं clear हुआ? So we just need to take care of horizontal direction. So this is 40 Newton, 5 kg. Okay, 40 Newton, 5 kg. So what will be the acceleration? It will be 40 by 5, that is equals to 8 meter per second square. So in 10 seconds, what will be the displacement? Half a t square. So displacement will be half a t square. Clear? So that is equals to 400. Is it clear? So work done will be
Yes.
40 into May 400. So is it 16,000?
Yes, sir.
16,000.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I did it slightly different. I didn't take N.
You didn't take N.
Yeah, I did it
N is
slightly
not
different.
required. Only this is required. Only this solution is required. है ना? In this question, this is not required. ये तो मैंने ऐसे बता दिया है. that the normal reaction will be itna, but only this solution is required, this one.
So can I tell you what I've done?
Yes, beta.
So I took F ka component and I got F as I directly found acceleration F is equal to ma, and I took F's
And
component as F cos theta.
in that formula F equals to ma, what is the value of force you have taken? 40 or 50?
37, which is 40.
Okay, that's correct. So you got acceleration x, huh?
Then I got A as 8. Yeah. And then I found S via half AT square.
Okay.
And then from there I got F into S is equal to W, which is 16,000 joules.
So we are applying this method now, the same method.
Yeah, so but I didn't use normal, that's why. I don't know how to use normal.
Normal is extra. This is extra theory in this question. This is the only required solution. This one only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when you calculate kinetic energy, it will be coming same. करके देख लो how much we are getting acceleration into my time. So you must be getting 80, and if you calculate this half 5 80 square, you will be getting 16,000 joule. Again, whatever the work this 40 Newton is providing, that is going in rising this kinetic energy. Is it clear? Clear है कि नहीं? Is it clear?
हाँ
So theory यहीं पे रखेंगे.